Hello and welcome you all. Myself, Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, Kekewak Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about the Drugs and Magic Remedy Objectionable Advertisement Act 1954 and Rules 1955, Part 1. So, this is some different types of objectionable advertisement which we see in our daily life. So, these are some examples. So, you can imagine how this is objectionable. So examples and instances of misleading advertisement. Promises to cure horrible diseases like cancer and AIDS. A medical practitioner advertising his clinic and claiming that he offered a definite cure for epilepsy. Indian Medical Association in this case declared him a fraud based on the finding of the committee that he was giving his patient lethal drugs in high doses. India is the land of spiritualists, of Babas and Sadhus. There has not been a law specifically to prosecute those making false spiritual claims and deceive people. Examples and instances. Um, uh, Second example, like Consumer Education and Research Society Ahmedabad brought to notice of regulatory authority in Gujarat sale and promotion of certain health gadgets by Conipio Healthcare in violation of Drugs and Magic Remedy Objectionable Advertisement Act. Company was found promoting and distributing sunshade to cure from migraine and sunstroke, socks for acidity, pillows cover for spondylitis, palm guard for Parkinson's disease, eye shades for sinusitis, t-shirts for high or low blood pressure, bed sheets for paralysis strokes. Those websites that promoted slimming and weight loss cures, all purpose pills that alleviated anything from arthritis, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease to kidney problem, tuberculosis, asthma, and hepatitis. Herbal products and magnetic devices that treated anything from headache and back injury to insomnia, arthritis, and sprain are some examples of misleading advertisement, and that comes under the Objectionable Advertisement Act. So, objective of this act. The act has been passed with the aim to control the advertisement of drugs in certain cases, to prohibit the advertisement for certain purposes of remedies alleged to possess magic qualities which falsely claim and mislead public. Extent and commencement of the act. It extends to whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir and applies also to person domiciles in the territory to which this act extends to who are outside the said territories. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by the notification in the official gazette, appoints. Definitions. Advertisement include any notices, circular, label, wrapper, or other document, and any announcement made orally or by any means of producing or transmitting light, sound, or smoke. Drug, a medicine for the internal or external use of human being or animal. Any substances intended to be used for or in the diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of disease in human beings or animals. Any article other than food intended to affect or influence in any way the structure or any organic function of the body of human being or animals. Any article intended for use as an component of any medicine, substances, or article referred to in subclause 1, 2, and 3. Magic remedy include a talisman, mantra, kavacha, and any other charm of any kind which is alleged to possess miraculous power for or in the diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of any disease in human being or animals, or for affecting or influencing in any way the structure or any organic function of the body of human being or animal. Registered medical practitioner or RMP, who holds a qualification granted by an authority specified in or notified under Section 3 of the Indian Medical Degree Act 1916, specified in the schedule of the Indian Medical Council Act 1956, or who is entitled to be registered as a medical practitioner under any law for the time being in force in any state to which this act extends, relating to the registration of the medical practitioner. Thank you so much. Part 2 we will see in the next video. Thank you so much.